Okay, this video is to show you how to make quick backups from the server itself. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do it. One, you can log directly into your cPanel, or you can do it directly here from the dashboard of WP Pro A to Z host. You can use these quick shortcuts to take you to the backup section. We got a quick shortcut here. When you click on that, it'll open you up straight to the cPanel and straight to the backup system. Now we have a full backup system here. Runs in two ways. You can do an account backup. These are account backups that are made by the servers every few days. And they go back a couple of weeks. We make them on Mondays and Fridays, and we make them on the 1st and the 15th of every month. And then we make a weekly backup. So these are all here. You can choose any one of these and you can click download to then download that backup, and it'll kick it out for you and it'll ask you where you want to save it. Save it to your local computer. That is a full backup. Now, if these dates aren't recent enough for you, you can then go create a new backup right away. Before we jump to those, you can do partial backups. You can download just your home directory backup. You can download your database backup. Okay, you can download email forwarders, etc. in here. Now, to download a full backup is immediate. You would click here to download a full account backup, and you would choose where to save it, an email address to send it to, and then click Generate Backup, and it will generate a backup and send you an email when that backup is fully complete. So that's the quickest ways to get to the backups that you need. Now keep in mind that the backups that are made through the backup system on here, these backups are made in a zip file format, not individual files. You will have to unzip them. If you download these full backups, you cannot use them for a restore of any kind, just so you know. There are other options for restoring. You can restore, if you download a home directory backup, you can then upload and restore that home directory backup. If you download a MySQL database backup, you can download and upload that one there. Email forwarders, etc., spam filters, etc. All of those things do work. There are other ways to deal with backups on the site and what they can be done. You can do that by going into Tools, and in Tools you can start. Okay, so we were showing you the wrong folder. At any rate, download the MySQL database backups. If you've got databases, they're available here for downloading and backing up. Now, to show you some individual backups, things that you can and cannot do, you can go back to Tools, go into the Files, and you'll see one here called File and Directory Restoration. You can go in here and you can browse for files or directories, and you can look in here and you'll want to, it says 1 to 10 out of 20, so you'll want to change this to 50 so you can see all of them here. You can go into the public HTML directory. It'll list all the files in here, and it'll show you the backups. You can see all the backups that were made and what date they were made on, and you can restore individual files and folders this way. This is a slow, tedious process, but it might help you if you broke one single file and you know what it is. So there's lots of ways to manage the backups on here. We've talked about in this article, we've got you can back your files up with FTP. There's an article on that. You can separately download and back up your database files, and that we showed you can be done here under the backup, and you can separately download them here. Another way you can download your database files is by doing a full export from phpMyAdmin. It'll take you in here. You can go in here, choose the database you want to download from, and right here is all the files in that database. And you can check them all, and then you can just simply export them out. Where's it at here? Export them out, and it will ask you a whole bunch of questions to quick display, and then export it, and it will export you out a file. So there's lots of ways to be able to get your files and back them up. Now, another way to get individual files for backup is through the file manager of cPanel. This is done here. And you open it up, sorry, we jumped too fast here. Under Files, under your cPanel, click on File Manager. It'll open this. It'll show you all your files here. These are the ones outside your directory. The ones you want are in your public HTML, and you can individually select a file, and you can go up here and download that file. And you can download that file in multiple ways. It'll download it that way. Now, you can also select multiple files, and you can also do a right-click on it and compress and download those files. So there's lots of things you can do. So this gives you everything you need to know about backups on WPPro A to Z host.com. If you have any questions, please open a service ticket with us. We are always here to help. Thank you very much.